Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is give you guys a Midnight Airdrop Phase 2 update. So if you guys are doing the scavenger mine, guys, please comment down below how many night tokens have you allocated for. So let me know what is going to be your rewards. Also, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you would like to see here on the channel. So I want to keep the Midnight Moose momentum going on here. Keep in mind, nothing on this episode should be taken as financial advice. So invest at your own risk. Guys, we have a bunch of videos. If you want a more detailed step-by-step guide, head over to the channel. Watch this video right here. The scavenger mine is live. Claim your night tokens now. So this is a step-by-step tutorial. So if you want everything from the ground up on how, which wallet to use, how to get into the mine, that's the video you really want to watch. On top of that, if you guys do follow this channel, I always bring up the link tree. We are constantly updating this. So what you will find is a quick link to the Lace wallet. This is the premier wallet for Cardano. So specifically, if you want to participate in the Midnight Airdrop, I recommend that you use this Lace wallet. You have to have, depending on which phase, a new wallet. So set up a Lace. I also have tutorials on that. So here, guys, you're going to click on phase 2. It's the first link. This is to make sure you're on the right website. There's no affiliation. There's no promo code or anything like that. So I don't benefit from it other than I want to help you guys out. So just like Danet, just like other projects, maybe we'll talk about at the end of the episode, there's a little bit of room to make some money without having to put anything in. So a lot of potential upside, very little risk, right? So once you're in here, you're going to go to Claim Portal and then follow the steps, and it's going to take you here. So this is what I've had open on my computer. So if we dive into this a little bit, I just want to go through kind of what it looks like. So this is full screen. This is me using or connecting a hot wallet. Yeah, I believe a hot wallet on Lace. So here in the last day 4. So day 4, I've got 19 and 19. I believe that I have successfully solved every challenge. So when you see 91 here, if you go back in time, I'm pretty sure that I haven't missed any yet. So basically, you're just going to start the session and leave your tab open. One good piece of advice, maybe I can pull it up here as well. I'm using an iMac to give you guys an example. I believe it's like 30, probably, no, I probably have I can take a look right now. I believe I have 32 gigs of RAM. I just want to make sure I'm not sharing anything too important here. Okay, so I have a 3.6 gigahertz, 8-core Intel processor i9, so a relatively good CPU. Graphics, I have a Radeon, decent graphics, 8 gigs, but I have 40 gigs of RAM. So I don't know if it's leveraging the RAM or the graphics cards, but regardless, my machine's still relatively good. If you have something like an M1, you're going to be good. And on the PC end, I recommend just at least an 8-core computer, probably when we get into more difficult, solving, and then etc. So if you can, probably have the best computer. But at the same time, I'm also mining, I'm going to call this mining, right? So I'm also running this on a different hot wallet on a laptop. So we have an old laptop that is like 12 years old, and I just have that running. And what I did, I wonder if I could share this with you as well. I went into the settings of the computer so that, what do you call it? So that basically the computer doesn't go into sleep mode. So let me see if I can find that real quick. Comment down below. Have you guys messed around with your screensaver, stuff like that, so that it doesn't go to sleep on you, right? So a lot of times if you leave your computer, it will save energy, etc. So I did turn that off. So screen time, lock screen. How did I do that? I don't even want to mess with it right now because it's running good. But anyways, I set up my computer. In your Mac, you're just going to go into your system settings and then make sure that your screen is running 24/7. So, it's taking up power, but it's definitely worth it because midnight, I believe it's going to launch. Probably, this is just an estimate. I think it's going to be at least like 50 cents. And assuming it goes well, assuming once your tokens get thought out, we could be entering a pretty big bull run as well. It's possible. So, for me, myself, I would like to have 10,000 night, sit on them, earn some dust or whatever it is. So that would be really cool. But guys, I want to know how you are doing with the Midnight airdrop. If we go here under Midnight Foundation, there's a little bit of extra news as well. So we can do that together. So who's ready for scavenger mine? Already 22K people have pre-registered. This is a little bit older news, but I was one of the ones that pre-registered. I believe I just connected my my wallet address to the website. So the exact same link that we were looking at. So this is something from 3 hours ago. This issue has now been resolved. So the estimate night totals in the browser user interface are now showing the correct amount up to day 3. Okay. So I probably have over more than 200 tokens, right? It's just, it's only showing up to day 3. Okay. So this is really cool. So this updates every 24 hours. I don't know. I mean, we'll see what we end up with. My goal is 2,000 night. If I can get that just from leaving a tab open, I'd be pretty happy with that. It could equate to $2,000 or more USD. I'm probably just going to hold on to my night. If anything, maybe I would swap a little bit for ADA. I don't know what I'm going to do at this point in time. But I definitely want to know what you guys are doing. Just wanted to keep you guys updated on things. And again, guys, check out the other content. Also, Danet. I've had 3 new people join Danet. So I do have a referral code for that. And the one reason I like it is because, we're earning a lot of tokens. It's very significant. And if they do an airdrop, if they do get on exchanges, you get in early on a project. Night, you're probably not going to make tens of thousands of dollars. Maybe some of you, depending on, the earlier phase 1, phase 3. So there's still a lot to come. We'll be covering it. But guys, right now, I mean, if I were to put my money on things, it's either going to be BDAG. I mean, they keep doing sales, but Danet right here. So click on that link, download the app. I just did a step-by-step guide. So make money or make your phone earn money, 100x DPIN. It's possible. It's possible. No risk to you guys, right? So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. So happy to keep you guys updated with everything. Comment down below. How many night tokens do you got? We'll see you in the next one, guys.